Did you know that what you eat directly affects your liver health? Your liver is a powerhouse, processing everything you eat and drink. To keep it healthy, a balanced diet is key. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals. Foods rich in antioxidants, like berries, nuts, and leafy greens, help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting your liver from damage. Lean proteins, such as fish and chicken, support liver repair and function. Remember, a colourful plate is a healthy plate. Nourish your liver with a balanced diet. Could your weight be affecting your liver? Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for liver health. Being overweight or obese can lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, where fat builds up in the liver and can progress to more severe diseases. To prevent NAFLD, focus on a balanced diet and regular exercise. Even a small weight loss can significantly reduce liver fat and improve liver function. Stay active, eat healthily, and keep your liver in top shape. Support your liver by maintaining a healthy weight. Want to keep your liver healthy? Get moving! Regular physical activity is a fantastic way to support liver health. Exercise helps reduce liver fat, lower inflammation, and improve liver enzyme levels. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity, like brisk walking, or 75 minutes of vigorous activity, such as running, each week. Don't forget muscle strengthening exercises twice a week. Stay active to keep your liver functioning at its best. Boost your liver health with regular exercise. Are hidden toxins harming your liver? Exposure to environmental toxins, such as chemicals, pesticides, and industrial pollutants, can damage your liver. Minimize exposure by using protective equipment, following safety guidelines, and avoiding unnecessary contact with harmful substances. Choose natural cleaning products and be mindful of what you put into your body. Protect your liver by avoiding toxins whenever possible. Safeguard your liver from harmful toxins. Could your drinking habits be harming your liver? Excessive alcohol intake is a leading cause of liver damage, including alcoholic liver disease, hepatitis, and cirrhosis. To protect your liver, limit alcohol consumption. Men should stick to no more than 2 drinks per day and women to 1. Better yet, abstain from alcohol entirely for optimal liver health. Remember, your liver is crucial for your overall health. Don't overwork it with alcohol. Protect your liver. Limit your alcohol intake. Did you know vaccines can protect your liver? Vaccinations for hepatitis A and B can prevent these serious liver infections, which can lead to chronic liver disease, cirrhosis, and liver cancer. If you haven't been vaccinated, talk to your healthcare provider. Vaccination is a simple and effective way to safeguard your liver health. Stay protected, stay healthy. Protect your liver. Get vaccinated. Are you protecting your liver with safe practices? Hepatitis B and C can be spread through blood and bodily fluids. Avoid sharing needles, razors, and other personal items to reduce your risk. Practice safe sex by using protective barriers like condoms. Proper sterilization of instruments and safe hygiene practices can also help prevent infection. Protect your liver by practicing safe hygiene and safe sex. Could your medications be harming your liver? Over-the-counter medications, prescription drugs, and supplements can impact your liver. Always follow dosage instructions and avoid mixing medications without consulting a doctor. Be particularly cautious with acetaminophen, as excessive use can cause liver damage. When in doubt, talk to your healthcare provider to ensure your liver stays healthy. Did you know hydration is key to liver health? Drinking plenty of water supports your liver by helping to flush out toxins and maintain overall bodily functions. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Proper hydration aids in digestion and the removal of waste products, supporting your liver's health and efficiency. Keep a water bottle handy and stay hydrated throughout the day. Keep your liver healthy. Drink more water. When was your last liver checkup? Regular medical checkups and liver function tests can help detect liver issues early. Early detection of conditions like fatty liver disease or hepatitis leads to more effective treatment and better outcomes. Discuss your liver health with your doctor and get recommended screenings based on your risk factors. Your liver works hard for you. make sure it's healthy. Stay proactive about your liver health with regular checkups.